Do you ever find yourself getting frustrated that you can't find your favorite buttons on the ribbon? Well, did you know that you can add any button you like to the Quick Access toolbar? You can click on the drop-down button on the Quick Access toolbar and click on anything you like from the list, such as Quick Print. From the same drop-down, you can go to More Commands, or you can right-click on top of the ribbon itself and choose Customise Quick Access toolbar. Change popular commands to either all commands or commands not in the ribbon. Scroll through to find the icon you'd like to add, and when you find the icon you'd like, click on it, click on Add and click OK. Alternatively, you could right-click on top of any icon already on the ribbon and choose to add it to the Quick Access toolbar. Simple. Catch you later! And that's why you need Quasar. Improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.